My name is Dennis Kitonga, and I'm a digital marketer here at Oracom Group. As you may have probably noticed, it takes more than just having a shiny new website. It also takes more than just posting regularly, maybe on social media. This is why Oracom Group has a solution for you, because we don't want you to scour the darkest corners of the internet looking for these solutions. And also, this is the reason why from on 17th of this month, we are going to be visiting different counties, starting with Eldoret on 17th of this month, which is going to be on Friday. We are also going to be visiting Kisumu County on 21st of June. Also, we are going to be visiting Nakuru County on 24th of this month. Without failing to mention that we are also going to be visiting other counties like Mombasa County. We are also going to be visiting Machakos County. Also, we are going to be visiting Nairobi County in the month of July. So, personally, I would like to invite you for this event, which is going to be covering different aspects. For example, from 8 to 10, we are going to be covering digital marketing training, which is going to be free. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to come to this youth summit. So here are some of the things to expect when you come to this digital marketing training. The first thing that we are going to cover is tips and tricks that are working in 2022 as far as getting clients online is concerned. So these are a few things that you can implement in your businesses and start getting getting clients, and also start making sales right away. So in terms of some of the tips that we are going to be looking into, things like how to leverage the power of social media, and also how to leverage the power of different influencers. Because as you may have noticed, on social media like Facebook, the organic reach is very, very low at the moment. At times, you might just post once and no one even comments to your post. So there's some of the things that you can be able to utilize. So these are things that you're going to be covering. Another thing is, how do we turn our social media into a profitable business? So let's say, for example, every time you're creating engaging content, every time you are posting, every time you have people commenting about your things. So how do you monetize this? How do you make it profitable for yourself? So this is whereby you are going to look into things like influencer marketing. You can start approaching different businesses and telling them that you can be able to feature their products within your content, and they can be able to pay you for this service. Other things that you can be able to use in order to make your social media profitable is looking into other social media channels like Pearl City, which is a social media channel that can help you because when you refer someone, you get some payments. And also when you post some engaging content over there, you get to earn some points, which later you can be able to redeem. Also, they've done like a very good job whereby they have a Pearl City Circle, whereby you can be able to save money through this social media, and you can be able to withdraw at the end, maybe at the end of the month, and run it as a business. So also we are going to be covering some other tools. Let's say, for example, your business located in Eldoret town, and you are selling, let's say, for example, you are selling cars. What are some of the tools that you can start to use immediately for you to start getting results without having to spend maybe a huge sum amount of money for you to start marketing? We are going to be looking at tools like My Big Order, which is an e-commerce platform for all counties, whereby you can just take a picture of this of your product, upload it on the platform, and the owners of the platform, they are going to take care of all of the marketing aspect about this business. So some of the tools also that we are going to be looking at the upcoming tools like different apps, the ODS, because there are some apps like ODS Chap Chap, which is an app which enables service providers. Maybe you are a barber and you want to get maybe appointments to go and cut maybe people's hair in their houses. So you can be able to enroll in these apps. We are going to look into different things as far as these tools are concerned for you to be able to run your business profitably. So another thing that we're going to be looking into is something we call a Google My Business Profile. Say for example, let's say for example, that example of selling cars. Let's say for example, you're selling maybe used cars. What are your customers searching for them to find your business? Most probably, you're going to find out that they are searching for how to buy maybe a used car around me, ama near me. So when they search for that on their search engines, the businesses that normally appear, the first ones, they're the ones that they're going to pick. So how do you make sure that your business appears being the first one? So as far as marketing yourself and using this free service from Google is concerned, you can be able to monetize this, and people can start making calls whenever they search for that particular service that you're offering. So with that in mind, I would like to welcome you all and tell you that it's not just about the digital marketing training. We are also going to be having other events, like from 10 to 1 to 1 p.m. we are going to be covering aspects on entrepreneurship. This is whereby we are going to be having talks with entrepreneurs from Kenya and around the world. So we are going to be having, for example, Mr. Alphonse Juma, who has built 11 different companies within 11 years. And you're going to get some insight on how to get started and build your brand and build different companies. So that is the session between 10 and 1 p.m. In the evening now, we have Vijana na Siasa. So these guys in politics, the youths in politics, what are some of the things that they can utilize, or where can they get started as far as getting recognized as a politician, or if they want to venture into politics is concerned. So that aspect also, if you're interested in anything to do with politics, that day, don't miss. Thank you, and youths, let's connect.